So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in CHKDSK space, and now the letter of the drive that you're having a problem with. For me, I'm going to type in C:/ space /F space /R. So where it says C:, you want to type in the drive letter that you're having a problem with, and then click on enter. If the drive you typed in was not your Windows drive, the scan should now start running for you. Once you complete that scan, you want to restart your computer, and this should now fix your problem. If the drive letter that you typed in was your Windows drive letter, for me it's going to be C:, then you're going to get this option right here. You want to type in Y, which means yes, and then click on enter. Now you want to restart your computer. Now as your computer is turning on, it's going to be saying to skip disk checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. Let all the seconds load in. It's now going to start running the scan. Once it's been done, it will take you back into Windows, and this should now fix your problem.